Patrick Telfor is a Lyft driver who isn't going to make it to his destination. Rear impact on I-75 in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, bam.
Here's the outside view as the driver in front of Patrick brakes for a swerving car.
As soon as I slammed on the brakes, I was looking in the rearview mirror. I was actually trying to figure out, is there a way I can get out of the way?
There was no way out. This is the crash that helped us convince Georgia's insurance commissioner to investigate the way insurance companies are settling claims for cars that are totaled.
When we saw the case that you brought to our attention, it was very clear where we needed to make this very clear to the industry of what the expectations are.
Patrick's expectation was that when Progressive totaled his 2016 Toyota Prius, he'd get the current market value. But the offer was a lowball.
I said, every step of the way, you're going after the little guy, you know, and I am just tired of it. I still don't have a car.
I hate to term it like this, but it's a fight and a scrap just to get what you're entitled to.
Chris Allen is a professional car appraiser and a consumer advocate.
I'm wondering
He got Patrick's settlement bumped from $15,300 to $19,700. But there was one thing the offer did not include.
There was no mention of tax tag or title?
No.
When an insurance company totals a car, Georgia law says they have to pay extra to cover the ad valorem taxes on your next car. At 6.6%, Patrick gets an extra $1,300, right? Wrong. Here's where Progressive saved by using Georgia's online ad valorem tax estimator. Even the state says it is not designed to settle insurance claims, but insurers know that with a few clicks, they may get a lower value on the car and a lower tax payout.
They knew what the process was to get them to lower
They were gaming the system.
In this case, the estimator saved Progressive $250 on taxes. Okay, that's not a lot, but if you multiply that times thousands of claims, it is. This is why we pushed for change.
I hate to be pessimistic, but it would be shocking to me if there was a revelation and things changed in the way they operate.
Because of our investigation, there is a change.
There might have not been clarity in the past, but there's absolute clarity now that if they continued engaging in this practice, they're going to get sanctioned.
Commissioner John King has issued a directive telling insurers to stop playing with the math. If you're going to give customers a payout for ad valorem taxes, you should base that payment on the agreed upon cash value of the vehicle. How much will that save Georgians?
I mean, potentially, could it be millions of dollars that your directive could be saving consumers?
I think so, especially if spread across the state with a number of losses. The potential there is for several million, yes.
Call it coincidence, but one day after we contacted Progressive, Patrick got a call. They were adding $500 to his claim. A Progressive spokesman says they thought they were calculating the taxes correctly, but now that there's a directive from the insurance commissioner, they will be complying with the order. It goes into effect April 1st. I'm Better Call Harry, CBS 46 News.